All right, we had a comment saying that someone could not connect this to their 5th gen, wouldn't communicate, I guess, 5th gen 4Runner. So let's hook this up and see what we got. All right, so let's get the app open and let's do auto scan. Okay, so we got to download the Toyota package. This might take a minute or not. All right, so that is completed. Is it finished? Let's try it. Let's do auto scan. We're going to be Japan. Oh, wait, we probably ought to do, whoops, hang on. North America without smart key. Okay, here we go. So we're ready. Let's do automatic scan. So it's definitely communicating. We're over halfway there. Almost there. Okay, so it does find some faults. Let's look at that. Those are history codes. History code, history. These are all history codes. History. So nothing current. Let's go ahead and clear all DTCs. All right, looking good. So yeah, definitely communicating and works great. Thank you for the comment.